Sure. Let's dive into the vibrant city of Rome and explore all the exciting things it has to offer. First and foremost, let's talk about the weather in Rome. The city enjoys a Mediterranean climate, with warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The best time to visit Rome is from April to June or September to October, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are manageable. Now, let's talk about the hotel scene in Rome. There are a plethora of options to choose from, ranging from budget-friendly accommodations to luxurious 5-star hotels. Some popular choices include the Hotel Eden, the Hotel Hassler, and the Hotel de la Ville. Moving on to the culture and people of Rome. The city is known for its rich history and vibrant culture. The locals are friendly and welcoming, and they take great pride in their city. It's a great idea to learn a few Italian phrases before your trip, as it's always appreciated when visitors make an effort to speak the local language. Food is a big part of the Roman experience. The city is famous for its pizza, pasta, and gelato. Some must-try dishes include carbonara, cacio e pepe, and amatriciana. And of course, no visit to Rome is complete without a stop at a local cafe for a cup of espresso and a pastry. When it comes to must-see attractions, there are plenty to choose from. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Vatican City are just a few of the top spots. Other popular attractions include the Trevi Fountain, the Spanish Steps, and the Pantheon. If you're looking for some fun activities to do in Rome, there are plenty of options. Take a walking tour of the city, explore the ruins of the Roman Forum, or visit the Borghese Gallery for a unique experience. Try your hand at cooking a traditional Roman dish. Lastly, let's talk about the overall experience of visiting Rome. It's a city that truly has it all: history, culture, food, and more. It's a great destination for a weekend getaway or a longer vacation. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of Rome. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel tips and advice. Safe travels!